So nothing changed. So we had to get him up out of there.
They getting the notice ready.
Time to get y'all ass out.
The previous owners were acting a little bit weird. He was just like, okay, you remember that y'all pretty much gotta be out in 30 days. He was just like, So even though they were already given proper notice, we're still gonna go ahead and give them this. A copy.
Hopefully they answer the door because the door closed. Usually it's open.
Right.
But I guess it's 12. So.
And it's cold.
So we'll be out of here by the 3rd or the 4th. And I get paid and he gets paid. I'm trying to put everything together and I'm going to start sweeping everything up.
Okay. So you might see like a dumpster probably pull up towards the end of that date. And then just so we can start just cleaning out.
Cool.
All right.
Yeah. You guys walk through the house.
Well, if it's not me that come over here, don't let them in. There's no need for them to come in. We the owners now.
Talking to you now.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I know you had an agreement, but I just wanted to give you a paper copy just in case.
Okay.
All righty.
Thank you very much.
Oh, no problem. Y'all have a good one.
Yeah.
All righty. Want me to close this door back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Please, thank you.
You're welcome.
I just seen it right through them niggas. They when you talking, they was cutting back across. It was 2 of them.
Damn.
Them is huge.
On the mission, hustling, trying to get it. So I'm hustling for mine, yeah. So watch me go and get it.